Samsung is preparing to unveil a refreshed smartwatch lineup at the forthcoming Unpacked event this July, signaling the imminent debut of the Galaxy Watch 8 series. This latest collection could be introduced alongside the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. Although the official reveal remains a few weeks away, we are thrilled to share an exclusive early glimpse of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. In partnership with OnLeaks, we've acquired in-depth C80 visuals and a 360-degree video of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, providing an all-encompassing preview ahead of its launch. Recently, we delved into why the classic model is expected to return within the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Current indications imply that the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic might arrive in a singular 47mm variant. Regulatory documentation reveals it may incorporate a 435 mAh rated battery, which typically equates to an average capacity of approximately 450 mAh. Interestingly, it seems the fan-favorite rotating bezel is poised for a comeback, which will undoubtedly please longtime supporters. Furthermore, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is anticipated to feature a 1.5-inch display and measurements of roughly 46 by 46.5 by 4.22 millimeters. The rendering suggests that the Watch 8 Classic adopts a squircle-shaped chassis akin to the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This stylistic decision leads us to theorize that this model could act as a spiritual successor or a direct evolution of the Watch Ultra. We encourage you to explore these exclusive visuals of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and look forward to the innovations Samsung will unveil at the launch. We've previously spotted the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic under the model numbers SM, L500 for Bluetooth connectivity and SM, L505 for LTE connectivity, confirming that both options will be offered. Compared to the 47mm Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which carried a 425 mAh battery, this year's iteration sees a marginal upgrade to 435 mAh. While still smaller than the batteries found in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and Galaxy Watch Ultra, this likely results from the rotating bezel, which occupies valuable internal space. The bezel's return is sure to appeal to Galaxy fans, making this model a noteworthy release. However, it's crucial to recognize that the classic variant might no longer suit the average smartwatch wearer. My mother often remarks on my high-tech timepieces during visits, viewing them as wrist gadgets rather than stylish accessories. By her assessment, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic could be likened to the Millennium Falcon, impressive, yet perhaps overwhelming. Let's extend Samsung the benefit of the doubt regarding the leaked device thickness. It's plausible the Watch 8 Classic will feature a 46mm titanium case paired with a stainless steel bezel. This setup results in a considerable amount of metal on the wrist. My Galaxy Watch Ultra currently weighs 93 g with its marine strap, and adding the classic bezel raises comfort concerns during prolonged wear, especially for those of us who favor larger wearables. The advent of the Apple Watch Ultra has redefined industry norms, encouraging rival designers to emphasize functionality over classic styling. Though criticisms labeling the Galaxy Watch Ultra an Apple imitation have circulated, such claims are overstated. While it does possess a unique form, it remains fairly large by mainstream standards. The same is true of the sizable OnePlus Watch 3, which follows Samsung's lead with a thickness of 11.8 millimeters, excluding its sensor. These models serve dedicated Android users, but may alienate broader audiences who prefer light, slim, and affordable squircle-shaped watches. To underline this, I held an informal smartwatch beauty contest last Christmas with my extended family. While my less tech-savvy relatives appreciated the design of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, they found the Galaxy Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra far too bulky. During Samsung's latest earnings call, a company VP hinted at a new Galaxy Watch with an innovative design, and the forthcoming Watch 8 Classic could indeed represent a bold direction. Still, the lingering question is whether consumers will be persuaded to buy it. While bulkier watches often offer longer battery life or added features, if the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic maintains the estimated 40-hour battery life, the same 1.5-inch display, and likely the same Exynos processor and 2 GB of RAM as last year's version, one might question the justification for its size. Although my preferences may not reflect mainstream tastes, I genuinely believe the newly leaked Galaxy Watch 8 Classic showcases a standout design. My prior experience with the Ultra's digital touch bezel left much to be desired, so the return of the physical rotating bezel with precise tactile controls is especially enticing. However, the model's increased bulk and weight could present issues for loyal fans of the Classic series. In other developments, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and 8 Classic have reportedly been certified, though there's no mention of a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. The Galaxy Watch family is due for another update in the coming months, aligning with this summer's Samsung Galaxy Unpacked showcase. According to recent leaks, only two versions are expected to launch, the Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. The Classic lineup enhances the standard Galaxy Watch by introducing a diver-style rotating bezel, which not only elevates aesthetics, but also delivers an alternate means of navigating the user interface. Besides physical buttons and touchscreens, expert sources, such as the Chinese telecommunications regulator CMIT, have certified two devices listed as SM-L330 and SM-L505/50, believed to correspond to the Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic. This rumor supports other reports suggesting that the 8th generation Galaxy Watch will revive the Classic styling. Historically, Classic versions have debuted biennially, following the Watch 4 Classic and Watch 6 Classic, making the arrival of the Watch 8 Classic logical. However, the lack of certification for a Watch Ultra 2 has raised questions, especially as leaks imply that both standard and classic models will adopt a Squircle-style case evoking the Ultra's design language. Beyond Ultra-related updates, the Galaxy Watch 8 and 8 Classic are expected to feature Google's Gemini AI assistant, enhancing smart functionality. The upcoming Wear OS 6 rollout should expand Gemini's capabilities across more wearable devices, including Samsung's new watches. Additionally, One UI 8 Watch will debut a revamped charging animation for Galaxy wearables. Earlier this month, information surfaced about Samsung's Wear OS 6-based One UI 8 watch for its wearables, alongside Android 16-based One UI 8.0 for its smartphones. Since then, enthusiasts have been diving into these updates to uncover new additions. Notably, a redesigned charging animation has been discovered, triggered when the smartwatch is docked for charging. One UI 8 watch will also include a built-in Samsung diagnostics tool. A deep dive by Android Authority confirmed that this new animation diverges from the One UI 6. However, concerns remain that Samsung could delay the rollout until August 2025, raising doubts about future updates for the Galaxy Watch 4. As we count down to the Galaxy Unpacked event this July, I hope to uncover more clarity to ease these lingering uncertainties about the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So, that wraps up today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech insights and updates.